Many times people have 401ks at work, and when they leave, what happens to them? Well, unfortunately, a lot of times they leave them there, and they typically get forgotten or ignored, and people don't look at them for years. Let's face it, we're busy people. You have an old 401k, you've started a new job, and now you have a new one, and you've got new schedules, new phones to remember, you've got personal things to do, and you forget about the old one. So what are you going to do with it? You tell yourself you are going to get around to it, but you don't. So what should you do? What you can do with your 401k is you can roll it over to an IRA. And there's several benefits to this. One, you still maintain your tax deferred status, so you don't have to pay any taxes when you move it over to your IRA. Second, you have a lot more investment choices than what you typically have in a 401k plan. So you can buy stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange traded funds. There's just a myriad of options you have available. And third, you have more control over it. You can decide if you have to get something out of it. That's a possibility. A lot of times people think moving a 401k to an IRA is going to be a difficult process, but it's really very simple. There's a minimal amount of paperwork, and it's a very easy process that someone like myself can help you with and help you get the choices you want. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions on rolling over your 401k, give me a call at 417-351-2942.